If you're not using ChatGPT as your virtual assistant yet, you're leaving opportunity on the table. It can write listing descriptions, email templates, captions, buyer messages, and even help with objection handling scripts. All you need to do is provide details, and in seconds, you'll have polished results ready to use. Think about how much time you spend each week writing or brainstorming. Now imagine cutting that in half. ChatGPT doesn't just save you time, it saves your mental energy. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can focus on what really matters, closing deals and serving clients. Here's the mindset shift. ChatGPT isn't replacing your creativity, it's amplifying it. You bring the ideas and the tone. AI brings the speed and structure. Together, you produce content that sounds professional, consistent, and powerful every single time.